This is about total about 8-9 pounds of venison here that I'm going to make into sausage. And then for casings, what we have is natural hog casings, and there are a lot of them in here. So we're going to get these connected right here. So the meat, which has already been ground, is going to go through here again, and then it's going to feed into the casing and then into this bucket. First find the end of the casing, and then we are going to attach it to here. Hit power. These, you kind of want to knead this so that you don't get too much in one area. You do want to pull this casing as high as you possibly can on here. That way, with a little bit of slippage, you're still good and it doesn't come off of this tube. It's way longer. Now we need to make it into separate ones. These are like breakfast sausages, right? They don't need to look perfect, but I'm really happy with these casings. I got them from North American Foods in Hamilton, and these are really strong, you know, and they were pricey, about $50 for many, I think it's over 100 feet of them. But when you're not wasting time on these things breaking, it becomes worth it to pay a little bit extra, because these things are tough. And when I did sausage last time with wild pig, they were not. So, and they broke, and that costs you time. So these things I'm liking these casings. This one broke, so what I'm doing is I'm just continuing what we got going here. So now there's a full plate of these. I'm gonna vac seal these and then save a couple for the next few days' meals in the fridge and wrap it up.